Mr. Sutherland, we're going to issue you a citation, okay?
Stick it in the bag and get out.
Okay. I just want to explain you're being charged with interfering with an officer in violent conduct through municipal code. Okay, your court date is going to
You'll
be...
be charged with 18 U.S.C. 241.
Your court date is going to be November 20th,
Assault and
2023,
battery,
3 p.m. at the
excessive
Corvallis
force,
Municipal Court.
Unlawful arrest.
You must appear for those charges. Left my business
Suck
card
my
with the
dick
site.
and get out.
You said you want this in the bag?
Suck my dick and get out.
Okay, I'll put this in the
Fucking
bag with your belongings.
Nazi ass piece of trash.
Yeah, with
Take
my
your
business
fucking
card.
boyfriend
I'm going
with
to take
you.
those handcuffs off of you if you would sit up and be
Fucking right,
cooperative.
you will.
Okay?
I'm cooperative with the hospital. They're cool. They didn't assault me for no fucking reason. They didn't
Okay.
put me in handcuffs for no fucking reason.
Okay.
You all did. You might want to look up those 2 codes I just gave you because you're all guilty of it.
Okay.
Never
Wait.
once was I under arrest or under detainment. You assaulted me by grabbing me. That's assault and battery.
Okay, well, you can explain that at your court date. Those are must appears, so...
Well, you're going to have to explain it to the Supreme Court
Okay.
of this state. Why
Leave
you
that.
used excessive force on somebody that wasn't doing anything illegal.
Okay.
So I hope you like your job and you can kiss your fucking pension goodbye.
Okay.
Now get the fuck out of my room. Blood on that. There you go. I take that with you. Fuck dicks.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you can have theft of property too.
For what?
Stole my phone.
Okay, that's being seized and writing a warrant for.
So I'm at the hospital.